Hi, Chloe here with Newberry Sales. This week, I'd like to introduce the Emtek SELECT program's new Terrazzo grip, available in both lever and knob options. The Emtek SELECT program offers a new level of customization. Choose your textured lever grip, stem design, and pair with any of their available rosette options in any mix of finishes for hundreds of unique combinations made just for your home project. Terrazzo is a stone composite made from marble, granite, quartz, or glass chips mixed with cement or resin. It features natural and unique patterns created by the combination of materials, adding a pop of color to your door hardware. Terrazzo is a popular trend in home design due to its playful colors and versatility. Emtek's new options allow you to customize your doors with this trendy material, adding a fun and unexpected element to your space. Emtek SELECT Lever program offers you the ability to create a truly personal hardware experience. Choose from 8 textures and materials, 3 stem styles, as well as more than 20 rosette options. All Select levers are available in 10 unique finishes. Complete customization carries over into the Select knob program. 4 knob textures and materials, combined with more than 20 rosette options. The Select knob program allows you to let your creativity shine. To help you create door hardware that is unique to you, Emtek offers their Select knobs and levers in the following finishes: unlacquered brass, satin brass, oil-rubbed bronze, polished nickel, satin nickel, flat black and polished chrome. And for a limited time, you can also choose from the following finishes: pewter, matte white, and satin rose gold. Emtek's Select levers and knobs are available to display today. Please contact Newberry Sales to order the display and upgrade your showroom with the hottest trend in door hardware. If you already have the Select display but would like to add Terrazzo to your showroom, please contact us and we are happy to help. Emtek's Select Terrazzo knob and levers are available to order now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for Newberry Sales Group so you can stay up to date on all the latest products from Emtek. Thanks for watching.